Hi everybody, how you doing today? We're beginning a new class, alright? Welcome back to the English class. Today, we're going to do a different exercise, okay? We're gonna do something different. Alright, I'm gonna ask you some questions and you will try to answer them. So I'm gonna begin to ask the questions and you begin to answer them, alright? Are you ready? Good, let's begin. Number 1. Where are you from? Where are you from? Number 2. Who are they? Who are they? Number 3. Do you play soccer? Do you play soccer? Number 4. Do you study Spanish too? Do you study Spanish too? Number 5. Where do you work? Where do you work? Number 6. Is it hot today? Is it hot today? Number 7. What do you do? What do you do? Number 8. Does your mother live in this city? Does your mother live in this city? Number 9. Does your sister go to school? Does your sister go to school? Number 10. Does your best friend work a lot? Does your best friend work a lot? Number 11. When is your English class? When is your English class? Number 12. What time is your English class? What time is your English class? Number 13. How old is your brother? How old is your brother? Number 14. Are you married? Are you married? Number 15. How are you today? How are you today? Okay, I hope you understood. Did you understand? Did you understand the questions? Good, good. Now, what I'm telling you to do is watch this video again and try to answer the questions again, alright? Because if you do that, you will be practicing a little bit of a conversation, okay? So I'm asking the questions and you're answering. So we're having a little conversation, alright? Okay, it was nice talking to you. I'll see you next class. Bye-bye. See you.